In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Escape the Backrooms in VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and play Escape the Backrooms in virtual reality. The first requirement is that you need to have your VR headset connected to your PC. Depending on the headset you have, this might differ slightly, but for most of them, you will be using a cable. So make sure that it is connected before you start. After you connect the headset to the PC, you will be able to launch it in VR because it has an official VR support mode. This was actually disabled a while back because it was very buggy. However, you can still access it. So even though the experience isn't going to be perfect, as long as you own the game through Steam and you connect it headset to your PC, you will be able to launch it. What you have to do is open Steam and find the game. You will notice that I'm going to be demonstrating this process with Lethal Company because I don't own Escape from the Backrooms on this account at the moment. But all that you have to do is right-click Escape the Backrooms, go into Manage, and then Browse Local Files. This will take you to the folder where the game is installed. So it is going to go to the Steam folder, Steam Apps, Common, and then Escape the Backrooms. Inside, you will need all of the files that the game uses to function properly, including the executable file that launches the game. What you have to do is, instead of launching the game through Steam while your VR headset is connected, launch the game through the executable. And as long as you launch this executable, VR mode is going to be initialized right away. So just run this executable file and you are good to go to play in VR. There is no secret to this. As long as you run this executable file, VR mode starts and you are able to play. As I've said before, it was officially developed by the creators of the game, but they disabled it because it wasn't ready to be distributed. However, they still left it inside of the game, so you can still play in VR as long as you launch the executable. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Escape the Backrooms in VR. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.